Yo, how are we doing, chat? How are we doing? Give me 1 second. I'll get everything set up. All right. How are we doing, everybody? Let me. So, man. Boom. Welcome back to the stream. I hope everyone has had a last good 6 days. That's how long we've been gone for, but we are back to the stream. I'm extremely tired. Then go, but we're gonna make it happen. Music on. Whew. All right, guys. In this environment, I'm always talking about long everything, right? Like every hourly gap, 4-hour gap. Unfortunately, there's no hourly gap here. So yesterday was easier because we had this, right? ES was obviously digging into his hourly gap. Or even overnight, excuse me, too. But yesterday we had this earlier in the week, whatever. Very easy. We had an hourly gap, we had an hourly inversion for continuation, but we don't have that today. So that's going to be an issue in terms of bias. We're going to keep playing upside because I'll rather wait for a -2% day than try to predict it. Let's just mark out an overnight high and see if we can get there. Yeah, there's a lot of long opportunities yesterday. I think yesterday's price action was really good. I was able to capitalize on it. A lot of lower time frame moves, like a 15-minute gap here. We had 15-minute inversions, 5-minute inversions. We had a lot of good. This is a really good buy model in my opinion. But right now we just don't have much. We already took out our highs, so we'll continue playing higher. This is one of the craziest rallies I have seen. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks of green. I've seen that before back in this run up here where we had or down there we had a bunch of liquidity, but guys, 5,000 points in 21 trading days, 25%. And people, look, I think we're gonna chop bad soon. I get it, we chopped here for a very long time, but keep in mind when these moves happen, like this move here, 39%, right? Like, and this is currently 25%. Maybe go to 30K. We'll see. Those type of moves don't happen often, and when they do, they exhaust all the liquidity in the market, and a lot of participants start staying off the market. So after expansion like this, you can only expect chop, right? And I thought the price action down here was great. We had a really nice moves up. Yeah, that's all we could say. All we could say. Give me a second. All right. All right. All right. Are we good? How you guys been? Have you guys been profitable over the last week? Summer's going to be out. I think so too. I think it's gonna be like last summer. I feel like I've been enjoying the payout or the moves. Another week, another payout. Nice. Let me go withdraw out of my account. Let me withdraw some take a little 15K payout on my live account. Not a prop from live, like my actual live. All right, drop a like on the stream. We got 7 minutes here before market open. I don't know what the fuck's gonna happen. We don't have any higher time frame gaps here, but we'll continue playing upside. Here's my first payout with Lucy this year. Nice. When you get into 30T options, you hold all day, yes, but this is not the environment to trade options. This is why I'm trading futures again, because this is more of a scalper's market. Obviously, yesterday we had a really good hold all day, but with this price action right now, where I don't know where the high or low is going to be at, it's better to play futures than it is holding your. I trimmed some of my NDX, excuse me, leaves, but my stock that I bought, I'm gonna hold that up. Let's check YM. YM actually looks a lot better. You're right, as the hourly gap here. I look for YM highs here, honestly. I would expect YM highs to get taken out. Got a little hourly inversion here too. How's your trip? My trip was nice. I'm just tired, dude. I went to Japan, and then I was here for like 4 days, and then I went to New York, so just kind of need to get back in rhythm, I guess. Yeah, YM is interesting for sure. I'm gonna post it in Discord. I'm not too sure. Should come out soon. All right. Dude, this lower time frame is so choppy. There's no like 5-minute gap either that I wanted to take as inversion. Wow. What's the bias? I think bearish, brother. "27 days of upside, and we had 6 days of red. And those red days aren't even big red days. They're simple retracements. You want to be bearish, bro? Dude, brother. Brother. The market is gonna stay illogical, and it's gonna like keep going and going and going until people get fucking absolutely fucked. Then they're gonna start shorting and get fucked too, bro. This don't short until we have like 2 back-to-back 2% days to the downside. I don't know when the move down is gonna happen. I'm not trying to be first thought, I'll tell you that much, because this is not nice. Are we back in OC? I am back in the setup. But if I'm being completely honest, like deadass, this is nothing to trade today. There's no higher time frame gap to navigate. There's nothing. It's literally just chop. I mean, yesterday was easy, like I said, because we had at least an hourly gap. We had an hourly inversion before open or near our open. That was easy, but this is hard mode. I got moved to live. This is nice. I mean, I don't think this yearly candle is actually not too high. I'm pretty sure. Down there, I heard I have 12% sure. There's a OC marathon. Nice, bro. Nice. Congrats. Hard, man. All right, here's our open chat. Let's get it. Let's see what happens. Oh, I didn't think that. How just finished doing great, bro. Fantastic. Everyone's doing really well. You choppy? Yeah, this is really choppy. YM going up, chat. Do we just fucking slam YM longs? Oh, fuck me, that has to. This is the only thing I was like, looks decent today. Rip. Bro, if that was NQ, bro, oh my god, dude, this is actually fire here. Oh my goodness, this is a good setup. Not gonna lie, but I don't trade YM that much. I don't trade YM at all. All right, we got LR here. We'll see where this goes. We'll mark out some sell side just in case, like down here. All right, guys, drop a like on the stream. Every 100 likes is a giveaway. Don't forget. TV lagging? Mine's all right. But I really don't want to take any type of short though. I'll tell you that much. Yo, Tradeify new Grand Cup. It's gonna be fire. I like the way they're doing it. It's gonna be like 1v1s. It's gonna be nice. All right, ES. We might create some SMT down here. ES is pretty weak. I'm looking at the camera for a test. Dude, I feel like my camera quality fell off. I don't know why. Let me look at some previous streams. Is it lighting? It might be a lighting. There she goes. There she goes. No, it's the same. Okay. All right. Lock fucking back in. What is NQ and ES SMTing off of? Absolutely nothing. Hourly. We took out a previous 4-hour low, but I don't think that's substantial. Dude, we have an N-Dog open too. This is kind of nasty. Is there any unmitigated 5-minute gap up here? There is. All right, so 71 is definitely gonna need tagged. 71's for sure getting tagged. We'll see how the market wants to react off that. All right. We got equal highs at 71 here. I want this to really get hit here. Like I would like a manipulation and like this is like a fair value gap right here. This would be an easy long into it, but there's nothing to work off of. There's like small 5-minute gap right here that worked. The ES, okay, ES is SMT, which is pretty good. I want ES to take out this low here, and we might soup this. Low-key might be a move. We'll see. So maybe if ES could dive here, something like that. Get risky. Holy divergence, yeah, bro. The candles are literally moving the wrong way. Oh, my camera is pretty big. Hold up. All right, we got 100 likes. Every 100 likes is a giveaway. So we unlocked one giveaway here. I appreciate all you guys for being here and tuning in. I wish today was a little bit better in terms of like having something to work off of, but there's nothing to work off of in terms of higher time frame. Ideally, ES takes at this low. NQ still hasn't taken out 71. Will be good, and then we could look for where did you get your hat? My bad. I got it from Tokyo Disney like in 2024. $637. Where's 637? Here. I'll mark it out. Yep. Yep. You guys agree with this though on ES? Like I wanna soup this low. If NQ doesn't take out 71, if NQ takes out 71, I'm not gonna jab it. But if we take out this low, and then NQ's kind of floating around the 30s, I'll take a soup up. But big F. It was so easy in their weeks because all you do is wait for a manipulation leg down into like an hourly gap or a 4-hour gap and just long the shit out of it. But there's no gap here today. Or yeah. Dude, we are literally moving opposite. I think Yankees will take out liquidity, yeah. Unfortunate. Very unfortunate. This should drive ES lower. We have a badass 5-minute SMT. Like ES should go to 30 or 89. Not enough to put on risk because I want to look for upside. Bro, ES is nasty divergence. Decouple like a motherfucker, yeah. Looks like a day people build their account, yeah, for sure. This is, like I said, this is why, guys, it is so important. You guys saw me trading options the whole time. Now I'm off of options and back to futures. I don't trade GC just because I don't trade it, because it's the scalpers market now. A lot of the intraday moves are scalpers market. So guys, how's the weather? How is the weather treating you guys? This is mucho chop. How's New York? New York was fire, bro. I liked it. I mean, I always enjoy it better in the warm weather than I do in the cold. I think the cold is just ass and overrated. Like the snow is cool for like one day, then it turns into black mush everywhere with the mud and everything. So it's much better with the warm spring weather. Chat, are we cooked? I think so, bro. Dude, and I was like, damn, my first stream back, I looked at the market this morning. I'm like, bro, we're cooked because like there's no higher time for PD Ray. Yeah, I meant Tanya. One of the dinners. Cool. Yes, sir, Parm. Yes, sir. Yeah, it's cool meeting everyone. It's good. I wanna host a meetup or something in LA OC area. Maybe in the summer or something. Dude, I'm a big preacher of daily no wick candles, but dude, we have so many daily no wick candles down here that it's kind of like the bull market, bro. Bull market, a lot of these rules kind of go out the window, and you kind of have to lower your IQ to trade it. What do you think of BTC? I mean, I just hold it. Nah, not the. What's good, Naj? Max. Are you friends with Tory Trades? Nah, I never met her. I only meet a few people at a time. Like, I don't know. The social space is a little weird to me. I like Lanto. Lanto's very low key. He just kind of trades, and like I'll go to the big events when like Max's event or something like that. But other than that, it's just chilling. Tory. Yes, sir, Eric. Yes, sir. Opinion on quarterly theory. Never use it. I don't know. Dude, Max is goated, bro. Such a nice. He seems like a very genuine guy. I've talked to him multiple times. Really good guy. Same with Llama. It's only on X. Like, you don't get a lot of hate or anything on Twitter, which is why I think Instagram's a lot better. You can learn a lot more on Instagram. Twitter is pretty brain rot these days. My posts on Twitter compared to Instagram are much different, and compared to my YouTube posts are much different too. It's just, oh yeah, it's always good seeing Keon, bro. Keon's goated. There's a few people in the trading space that I could hang out on a day-to-day basis, and I think they're like genuinely cool ass people. And Keon's definitely in that list. He is such a welcoming, very inclusive person. It's just, he's a good guy. All right, is ES finally gonna take out this low or what? So 5 minutes rejecting on NQ, which is, that's the SMT I said was probably gonna end up holding, but I want to see ES run these lows and see the reaction. Oh yeah, I met Benjamin this weekend too. It's cool. It's cool. He's cool. It was weird not being the youngest in the room. I'm not gonna lie. It's been a very, very long time since I haven't been the youngest. And then Benji was actually the youngest. He's like 20 years old. Cool dude. I was like, "Are you from Canada?" He had like this Toronto accent. I was like, "Yep, that'll do it." So in an ideal world, in a high probability day, this would probably be a fair value gap up here. This would be an IFEG setup. Like, this would be an IFEG, but obviously we got a lot of wicks both ways. All right, there's the NQ lows. I'm 22, soon to be 23. All right, that's where I'm interested in longs. We got SMT down here with this low. The thing is, we have no PDA rate to work off of. That's the only issue. Oh, guys, megaphone. Hello, 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 hello. Guys, we are in a megaphone right now. Good to notice it early. All right, this is good. This is good. It's good to notice this early, okay? So you're not trying to catch both sides. Lower time frame megaphone. You could definitely long the bottom of this. I think this long would actually work out very well. I don't know where my entry would be. That's the issue because there's nothing on the higher time frame. I think above this OB, I'll take a jab above here. Now I'll put my stop at the low, go for the highs. I think that's good. Oh, did I just soup this? If okay, and the next area that I will turtle soup and not really pay attention to the lower time frame is this one right here on ES. I don't know if we're gonna go that far though. That is extremely far for what the market's moving. So we'll see what do we do at these lows. If we get above this OB here, I'll take a jab at longs. Megaphone is broadening wedge, basically means chop and expansion after we break it. You would wait till we sweep HLOs. Are these HLOs right here? No, HLOs are probably what, down here. If someone's gonna sweep, it's gonna be ES. So I'll rather just wait for ES. But I think if we get back to like above 750s, I don't think we're gonna go for those lows. Oh, what's YM doing? I was looking for longs on YM early. Once it's sub liquidity though, I don't really want to dabble into it too much. It's a very high resistance short. So something that I've learned throughout the years and reading price action. When we have high resistance shorts, this is what it looks like, and it leaves a lot of swing highs behind. Swing high, swing high, swing high. It generates a lot of liquidity. It's kind of like what we had on the higher time frame. And this is why the move up happened so quickly. It was such a high resistance sell into the monthly gap that we left so many swing highs, right? Swing high here, here, relative equal highs up here, which is why the liquidity got ran so quickly. And you could apply that to a lower time frame as well. You have a boot camp? No, I'm coming out with something in the summer, most likely. Maybe sometime in June. It'll be worth it for you guys. I appreciate everyone coming on. I was like, we took a 6-day break, but you guys got it. Dude, why is ES coming down? I need ES to show strength. I don't want to get caught in an S&T up here. ES needs to lock the fuck in, bro. ES needs to lock in. I do like this long a lot here, though. Above this OB. It's a 1-to-1 though, but I'll take it. Like I don't mind a 1-to-1 in this environment. If we get above here, I'll take it. Because right now we're retracing to the 5-minute. So that's why I'm kind of like above 50s would be good. I'll let you guys know if I pull the trigger. I want it above here. Basically this OB here. Get a break of structure. I'll take it. That'll be good. Is that not a pattern long? Are we reacting off? I mean, we're not reacting off of any PD rate. That's the issue on the higher time frame. So I'm just kind of playing the bullish bias. I wouldn't say it's an A+ setup. It's definitely like a B setup. You guys hear the music good or no? Dude, fuck is the ES doing, bro? If you're gonna take out liquidity, just take it out already. Dude, I feel like NQ's about to yeet us, bro. Oh, sweet NQ. Is 5 minutes about to close or no? All right, this 5 minute closure will jab this. It's a good trade. I'm fine taking this. I'm fine with taking this. We'll manage risk under the 5 minute gap or 5 minute candle. 1 to 1.5 almost. I still like it. The lower time frame looks like shit, but fuck it. Because we still in our megaphone here, I'll let it play out. All right, we got 50 seconds. We're gonna enter this trade on the 5 minute here. Okay, are we gonna get a fucking entry, dude? Holy fuck me, bro. Oh my goodness, dude. Bro, what is this? Can you get a pullback before I enter this? Dude, I'm not gonna lie, I fumbled this so hard. I was like, I'm gonna take it off this OB here, and I should have, but dude, I wanted at least some type of pullback. God damn. I want at least 70s, bro. I'm not jabbing this at 97. No chance. If we get a 1 minute fair value gap here, this would be good. It's funny, bro. Dude, I'm telling you, the megaphone is so fire, bro. We literally respect the bottom of this wedge and went. All right, I'll jab this fair value gap. I'll go smaller risk because the RR is literally so skewed now. Probably aim for like the next area above here would be like 850s because like I don't know what else to kind of target. Can please get a fair value gap retracement, bro. That's all I'm fucking asking for. I'm not asking for much, bro. I'm not. I really am not asking for much. Come the fuck into this fair value gap and take us all time highs. Chat, what's the over under this is gonna run before I would get a retracement? It's teasing us, bro. What is this? All right. I'm entering a position. I'm gonna add some here, and then I'll add it if we go a little bit lower. We'll start with some starters into these highs. If we go back down to like I think like 760s, I'll probably add my rest of my position. My current add is at 83. So if we get our add at 83, the entry will be around 70s, and it'll probably go like a 1-to-1, be down like this low here. The only thing that fucks us here is if ES wants to be a bitch. Everything else looks good. Wait, do we have any red folders today? What's today, chat? Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday? It's Thursday. Yo, unemployment is orange folder now? That's kind of funny. All right, we have no news. Is this NFP week? Oh, we got NFP tomorrow. I didn't even realize. Okay. Cool. That's cool. Yeah, this isn't the full RR tool that I'm using for this position, because I want to add some if we go to like the 60s. Keep that in mind. ES needs to go. That's the only thing. And I think I understand that ES is probably gonna go for that sell side, but at least I want to SMT at the highs with the overnight highs with the NQ tapping it. Yo, chat, give me 1 second, right back. Give me 1 second. Yo, now ES wants to pick up? What are we doing here? What are we doing with it? All right, let me go back to scrolling. I'm not gonna lie, chat. We hit TP. I'm getting off so fast. I had to take the fattest shit of all time. To be completely honest with you guys. So if someone wants to pump NQ 20 points, that'd be great. Nah, bro, it's just the morning shit. Usually I shit before a stream, bro, but bro, ES is actually showing strength. What is this, chat? What is this behavior? Go TP, go, 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 go. All right, I'm gonna take some off right here. Hey, 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 I'm out this bitch. I am out this bitch. Chat, I'm the greatest New York AM streamer of all time, bro. If you want to make money, you come to the fucking stream. It's that simple. Come on, man. We're done for the day, bro. Done for the day. We're done for the day, bro. Look at that, bro. We are done for the day. Some of you guys are probably so happy that I'm back on a futures account. Don't worry, I got you guys. Fucking GOAT, bro. The fucking GOAT. Fucking GOAT, bro. The thumbs up. The fucking GOAT. No one does it better than us. This is going, bro. All right, let's go post it for the... Let's do a reel right now. Let's do a reel together, guys, okay? We're gonna do a reel together. Let's do a reel together. Are you guys ready for this? When I start speaking, like 5 seconds in, I'm gonna say type 1 and you guys type 1, all right? If you aren't joining my streams, you're literally missing out on free money once again. All right. This is a trade that we took live in front of 700 people this morning. It does not get any easier. I walked everyone through it. Chat, type 1 if you guys took the trade. Spam W's. Let's go. Let's go. That's what we do. If you guys aren't joining the streams, you're missing out on free money. We simply waited for the megaphone to break. We had a broadening wedge formation. We had a 1 minute fair value gap straight into our all-time high take profit. That's exactly. Oh shit, I'm muted. Hold up. I didn't want to be annoying because I'm like doing the social media side of things. You know what I'm saying? All right, chat. Go to the IG. I'm posting the reel right now. Make sure you guys just show some love on it. But yeah, another pretty easy trading day. I'm telling you, just fucking long everything, bro. You'll be green. Literally is that simple. Well, if you guys didn't get that entry, I think you guys should probably just chill. I mean, I don't think anything else is gonna be pretty higher probability than this, because this is extremely high probability. Everything else kind of iffy. I don't know if ES probably runs as highs because we have a lot of liquidity up here, a bunch of equal highs. Like maybe this goes to a 5-minute gap or something, and then drives down or drives higher from that 5-minute gap. Yeah, I wanted to add if we got a little bit lower, but this gap held pretty nice. How often do you stream? I try to stream every day at 9 a.m. Eastern. When I'm on vacation, obviously it's a little different, but every day you can expect it. Now, if like I said, I would wait for a 5-minute gap. If there's like a 5-minute gap entry, that's the only thing. Because if ES inverses this, which I think it will, this is likely going to drive into all-time highs and these equal highs up here. So about another like 15 points on ES, I think is possible. Would probably drive NQ into like 28 900s, roughly. All right, chat's paid, Discord's paid, everyone's paid. Dude, I really do think ES could go. This would be really nice. I normally would hold this, but I just feel like there's no, just because ES and NQ are diverting so high, like so much. That's the reason I didn't really want to hold this for too long. I think PM session actually might be good. Either we get the ES move down at these lows, or we can go higher into those all-time highs. They're both pretty high probability, I think. Just a delivery into them we gotta watch. All right, while I'm here, I'm gonna make my camera bigger. I'm gonna The video comes out pretty dark. Give me a second, chat. All right, that's much better. My eyes. Yo, y'all fuck with the Alpha Future shirt though? Just kind of comfy. It's my sleep shirt. Let's go. Here you go. I'm 22 years old, soon to be 23. Chat. This ES highs might get ran really quickly, which would be great. Dude, the NQ divergence between ES. Whoa, what the fuck? What the fuck happened to ES? Bro, what the fuck is ES doing? Bro, NQ barely even moved off that. That's crazy. All right, never mind. Get the fuck out the market. That's what I should be saying. Dude, I literally went to every merch booth in when I was at Max's event and just grabbed everything. I have a bunch of Apex stuff, I have a jersey that says Alpha Futures. I might give it away though. Does anyone want an Alpha Futures jersey? That'd be kind of fire. All right, all that did was gonna make us 5-minute SMT down here. I think this goes higher. We have a 5-minute SMT. This is gonna go. I think this goes. All right, guys, I have to go. I'm gonna head out of here. I hope you guys had a fantastic time. Just don't do anything dumb shit. Stay patient, and yeah. All right, peace and love, chat. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. I'll be live tomorrow again, 9 a.m. Eastern. See you guys in the stream there. Peace and love, peace and love, peace and love.